Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Compliment of the season, happy new year. Today the episode is about our former two presidents, past president. That is somebody of former president Olusegun Obasanjo and former president, ex-president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. You know, this former president, they joined Pastor Chris Oyakhilome of what is his ministry, Christ Embassy, for the crossover, you know, 2021 to 2022, you know, December that 31st, you know, to crossover. They went there, they were invited by Pastor Chris Oyakhilome. You know, they went there to celebrate with him, to thank God together for the new year. You know, they say, according to what is written here, the Future Africa Leader Award we are giving to in recognition of the service. You know, he invited these people to come there and celebrate with him. The reason why I'm doing this video is not about the crossover and about you know, I'm doing it because of former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. You know, I love this former president so much. You know, I respect him. The man, you know, that say, okay, I want peace. I love my people. I love my country. You know, we all know what happened in Nigeria when he when he won the election. You know, something changed, so which I don't want to go into too much details. He said, for the love I have for my people, I don't want anybody to die for my votes just because I want to be in power, you know. So the man, I love him because of his forgiving heart. He has a good heart. And this is a president that God sent to Nigeria, because Nigeria could not exercise patience. His name is Goodluck. So it would have been a good luck to Nigeria. You know, since when they push him aside, you see what has been going on in Nigeria now. You know, even the people that supported him, they throw him. You know, they are all not crying. You know, the point of me doing this video is that this life, it's always good that we leave our battle for God to fight for us. I know that some people will not want to hear that because I've already started to mention God. I'm not here to come and preach the Bible. But when you see something good, it's also good that we pick from it. The heart, the forgiving heart. You see, people are going through a lot now because the God of Goodluck Jonathan, they are now fighting the people who help push him aside. You know, who help. How many people will do that? But in spite of all these things that happen to him, he still loves Nigeria. He's still smiling. People will invite him, he will go. He will do the needy, what he's supposed to do. Even this Obasanjo that was his opposition, that joined the other one, that people to fight him, you know, they are not together. He forgave Obasanjo. We all know what Obasanjo did to him. You know, we should always have a heart to forgive. You know, I thank God for the life of this president. May God give him long life. May God give him long life, because he's one of the presidents we're supposed to just give him. You know, they were even pushing him here and there. He was just there, but they never allow him. They did not allow him to enjoy as he was the president. Because I never see Obasanjo is going out to Aso Rock. How he was going there as if he was the one. He was the president when Goodluck Jonathan was the president. He was always going there. Maybe even have a bedroom there. I don't know. But why can't he go there now that when Buhari is now the president? You know? So now he's now go back again now to Jonathan. They went to Pastor Chris Oyakhilome to do the crossover. They came in the honor as Pastor Chris invited them to the Africa Future Leader Award that was organized by Pastor Chris. This thing happened on the 31st, the crossover, you know. So I just want to leave you guys here. Have a forgiving heart. You can learn a lot of things from former presidents. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, because we have never have two people like this in Nigeria. Because if they have, I don't want to go too much in details. This man, he let everything go. We should always learn how to let things go, because God can see what no man can see. I know that the way this man behaved, God is going to give him long life. He's going to have a peaceful life. He's smiling and he's going everywhere. There are so many people, they can't go anywhere. Even the one who calls himself the president, he can't go anywhere freely the way former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan is doing. So look at the life of this man. Look into his life. What have you learned? You know, learn good things. A man with a forgiving heart. Goodluck Jonathan Ebele, a man with a forgiving heart. A man with a clean heart. A man with a good heart. Thank you so much, former President Goodluck Jonathan, for the love you show to Nigerians. We love you. I'm going to leave the video here for now. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so, as we'll be bringing you interesting, beautiful story, you know, across the globe. So thank you. Bye. Subscribe, share, and press the notification button so that whenever I do upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pastor Chris, for inviting these two former presidents. Thank you for receiving them, and God bless you also, Pastor Chris. God give you long life in the name of Jesus. Bye for now until I come your way next time. Bye.